cops that I see. Yo, what's up guys? I hope you guys are having an amazing freaking day. Oh my god, I'm out riding the mini bike because you guys want it so bad, even though I don't want to ride it because I don't feel like going to jail. Tomorrow I'm going to try to do my community service for riding this thing. If you guys are new to the channel, I got pulled over and I've got pulled over a bunch of times, but yeah, I got community service one of the times. So that really sucks, but yeah, I'm going to bring you guys along for it, so make sure you guys subscribe and look out for that video, and then hopefully the next day my package will come in. So you guys requested it so much and I haven't made one in a little bit, so I'm like, yo, let's bust out the old EP and get some awesome video. This thing sounds so dope for a mini bike, you know. If you guys don't know, I custom built this Canon mini bike. Yeah, if you guys want to see that, there's a playlist on my channel called The Build Off, where I've done everything on there. Yeah, you know what's up? Alright, I'm gonna have to cross the road. Gang gang. Oh, I'm in the turning lane. Oh, fuck. Let's hit the railroad tracks, baby. Oh, baby. Oh. Yo. Ow. Ow. Oh, so bumpy. This thing makes your hands itch because they're like, it vibrates so much. It's a big vibrator. Got a hard hit right there. Yo, I don't want to talk to you guys about, like, where the heck are all you guys coming from? I've gained like 50 subscribers in the last few days. Like, what the heck? I've never gained that many subs ever. Like, what the heck? That's crazy. Should we come out here golfing one day? Would you guys like that? Like, for me to come out here and make a video of me golfing or something? Make it really funny though. Yo, if you guys haven't seen my mini bike before, this is it. Gang, 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 gang. Oh boy. God bless, there's a lot of people at this school. Holy crap. What is it, like parent day or something? Let's just hope there ain't no cops. Don't come for me. Bro, I don't think I've ever been here when school was out, or like, I don't know, whatever you call it. Oh god, there's kids out there running the track. Yeah, gang, gang, gang. Look at this tree, it's just lonely out here. The lonely tree, at last. A lonely little tree. There's a lot of people watching me right now, I bet. Ooh, it looks like teachers and stuff. That'd be the one that caught a popo on me. Yo, shopping cart, go-kart. I was thinking about making one of those. You couldn't use one of those though, you'd have to have one that was completely metal. Alright, I think I'm gonna head home now. So hopefully we don't get pulled over. Gang! Oh god, there's a cop car right there. Holy shit! Let's go, Batman! She really rumbles. Do I make you horny, baby? Do I?
Do I make you horny, baby? Do I? Do I make you randy?
Do I make you randy? Well, we see one cop. Woo! Hopefully he doesn't come for me. Don't come for me, baby! So guys, I have this awesome idea that I haven't told you guys. It's going down Christmas, a few days before Christmas, and it's going to be posted on Christmas Day. Hopefully, if it all goes to plan. But it's going to be an awesome Christmas video. I ain't going to give you guys too much about it because I want it to be a surprise. gonna be so dope. Sucker. Alright, there's a cop, there's a cop, there's a cop. Alright, he definitely seen me. I seen him looking. Alright guys, so my memory card got filled up. I finally went across the road and got back home safe, sound, everything is good. I did like bust up my knee pretty good. Let me see if you guys can see it. When I went across the road, I was pushing it. You can't really see it on camera, but yeah, there's a big like knot on there. When I was going across the road, I hit my knee on the GoPro because I was pushing it across and I had the helmet on the handlebars, and I rammed it right into it because I was trying to get by really fast. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want to see other videos, other mini bike videos, I do some of the craziest mini bike videos. Go check them out. I've gotten pulled over, taken it to like the biggest bike event ever, and got surrounded by police. It was crazy. You guys ain't gonna want to miss. Make sure to subscribe. I love you guys. Take it easy, fam. Peace.
Don't like me with that stuff shit. I'ma eat the beat like a drumstick. Don't catch me on that dumb shit. I know some people ain't gon' like me. Just cause I'm different and there ain't nobody like me. Pull up to the scene looking clean in my white tee. You say I'm the greatest to do it. Okay, I might be. Yeah, okay, I might be. That's just how I'm living. That's the vision. I got too much sauce the way I'm dripping.